Hello everybody. So you may have seen our Meguiar's Plastics video to where we use Meguiar's Plastics to clear up the haze on the headlights. Well, I got Blake here with me and he's had some pretty good success with this Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Now this compound is typically used to take swirls out of paint, right?
Yes.
And so we're not going to use it on paint today. We're going to use it on the headlight here. And what we're looking for is just a quick fix where you don't have to do any sanding, none of that jazz, because that can be intimidating for some people, having to sand on the headlight and all that. So we're just going to simply let Blake show us what he's had success with and see if it works on my Highlander. All right, let's go ahead and get started.
All right.
We're just kind of talk us through here.
Take a little bit of this compound. Oops, got a little bit on the, we have to wipe off there. And as you said, we're skipping a couple of steps. We're not going to do any sanding. What we're going to do is take this and make small overlapping circles.
All right.
And we're just going to do a section here in the middle so we have a little bit of contrast, the surrounding oxidation. Okay, so let's go back this way, overlap. Get a little aggressive with it.
There you go. Cool. I think I'm... Oh, wow.
All right, see, I got a little bit left on there, so we'll flip to a dry side of the micro.
I don't know if I'm just hoping for good results, or I think I may tell a little bit of a difference there. Let's try doing the, can you try the whole headlight?
Yeah, let's do the whole thing. We're going to start up here in this area where there's a lot more oxidation.
Okay.
Put a little much on there, but that's fine. You can't use too much.
So basically what it's doing is it's just taking away some of that oxidation on the surface.
It's a mild abrasive, but it's perfect for headlights.
All right.
Kind of an off-label application.
Right. So you're kind of not expecting for it to be, you know, brand new, but it's going to make a difference, it looks like. All right, cool. Let's try it on this thing right here. That's been like...
So it's got a little etching.
Yeah. I've been trying not to get the sand kits, so I'm just curious of how this is going to work. Okay. A mile. Oh, wow.
It is gone.
Holy cow. It did. Like you can still see, I mean, not perfect, but I think that was a noticeable difference. So over here, I think we're going to see maybe the biggest difference over here.
Let's get that.
So let's check this out over here. See what we got there.
Just get this whole area over here.
Huh. And then the nice thing about it is that since it's made for swirl marks and paint, if you get it on your car, I mean, it's not a big deal. You just wipe it off.
Just wipe it off.
Yeah, that's awesome. So I could definitely see, like, when you first start noticing the yellowing and the hazing, I could see this, you know, working pretty good.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, there is a noticeable difference on that too. I guess let's try this right here. Right.
Yeah, my favorite part about this stuff is just skipping the step of sanding.
Yeah.
I mean, it's almost effortless.
Wow. Let me give it a shot.
Yeah, go for it. I'll grab you a clean microfiber.
All right. I'm just going to go to town with it.
Go for it.
Looks fun. All right, so we'll just get this little area down here. Wow. All right, all right. Oop. Hit the camera. Did you get that, camera guy? Oh, man. Phil's holding the camera, by the way. That's why I know some of you are really sad not to see him, but not all heroes wear capes, you know?
Some of them hold cameras.
Yep. Some of them hold camera. Wow, so this is, you know, a noticeable difference. Like I said, obviously, you know, we could probably maybe try and sand all this down and then go through the different sanding grits and then, you know, try to put a new coat of clear on it. But if you don't feel comfortable doing that, I mean, this is kind of a happy medium, it looks like. Then, all right, so cool. And then I buff it out with that one.
Yeah, you take a nice dry clean one and just make sure you get it all off of there.
Wow. All right. Just gonna see if I can get this little piece right here off. That seems to be the most stubborn.
Where you catch the most bugs.
Yep. I guess they're trying to fly out of the way. But still, they succumb to becoming just another splatter on the headlight. Whoa, I think it's coming off, ain't it? I think we got it. Not all the way, but still pretty good improvement, I think. I could so see me taking this stuff and then looking like Jim Carrey in the number 21 or whatever it is. Just like, gotta wipe the headlights.
It worked a little better than I thought it would, and I've used it on a lot of headlights.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it, with just, you know, I think it works better than what the plastics does, which is really interesting because, you know, the plastics, that's what it's marketed for, is for, you know, applications like this, but I think this may have done it a little bit better. So, I think I see a little bit of improvement. So let's go look at this headlight over here. And oh wow, yeah. Definitely did make an improvement. You can definitely see it. Nice. Okay.
Oh, I just got in front of this camera. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I forgot it was on.
Yep. Cool. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna do the other headlight.
Yeah, we'll do this one all at once.
All right.
Just to get a quick
Just a quick before
turn.
and after. Let's see it. The rest of the car has been bombarded by birds, but you know, it's still kind of cold here, so.
They don't make a Meguiar's bird.
Poop.
Couldn't think of the word I was like.
Bird be gone.
Cut this part.
I'll put some more on there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I really like this method better than the plastics. Because like I said, you guys spend the time on the plastics to tape off the headlight and everything, which, you know, the internet told me I did wrong anyways.
Oh, they'll tell you this is wrong.
Yeah, they'll tell you this. But at least at this, it's, you know, pretty kind of straightforward.
I mean, they'll just say, "Oh, you should have used 5 ounces of apple cider vinegar mixed with liquid paste or something."
Sounds like a plausible way of doing it.
Something there.
So I think, yeah, after the first try, it's definitely cleared it up. So,
You can always do a few, you know, always do more applications.
right. This is definitely an easy way of getting some good results out of your headlights.
It's not going to completely restore your headlight, but it is a good quick fix. You know, it's going to make your lights shine a little bit brighter, which is what you want.
Right. Yeah, because, you know, what I pointed out while we're doing the application and everything, you know, the plastics, you know, you want to, because it can be corrosive to paint, so you want to tape off the headlight, do all that jazz, and then, you know, rub it aggressively. This, I rubbed less than what I did with the plastics, and I didn't have to worry about taping up my headlight, which, you know, it's a win-win.
Yeah, and like we said, this stuff's it's a little bit abrasive, but it's something that can be neutralized with the detail spray, water, something like that. And you can always take an extra step and get you a radial buffer and kind of polish on it. That's really going to clear it up and make it shine, but we don't have time for that.
Alrighty. So do you have any suggestions with what to do afterwards to help prevent the haze?
You can always keep a coat of wax on there.
Okay.
A little polish or something. It's just really hard to fight oxidation.
Right.
You know, if you have time to stop and inspect it and wipe it down every time you drive, then yeah, that'll help a lot.
Okay. Well, sounds good. Well, like I said, we got Meguiar's Ultimate Compound here, not just for paint swirls. It even helps on your headlights, as you see here. As always, I'm Andrew, one half of the Andrew and Phil Show. We're out.